Sanibonani Dumelani Option. Hi, welcome to Tumithi Telishisa Bhenga funa ukuthi uliphuze ujahile kodwa alifuna ukuthi uliphuze uhleli phansi ngoba waliphuza ujahile uzosha. Let's get into the video. Well, Prince KB refuses to take $500,000 from Cassper Nyovest so that they can have that boxing match that we've all been waiting for and wondering why it's not happening even today. So Prince KB took to YFM to speak with Ayanda MVP and Usnaye about why he hasn't had a boxing match with Cassper Nyovest. The reason the match has not happened is because of the amount that was offered to Prince KB. He was like, what? He doesn't mind participating in the Casper's boxing tournament, which are family known as the Celeb City boxing match. He disclosed that he got an invite from Casper's team about this whole situation. We would like you to participate in a boxing match, no Casper Nyovest, and we are offering $500,000. And Prince KB felt that was such an insult. So imagine training this hard only for $500,000. Mina, but if they are offering me 3 meters, then we can speak, but $500,000. Go boxing no Casper, you must be joking, seriously. No ways and no way. And one thing we should also remember as a fact, Wuti, Ipefa stems from social media. They've been going through those tours, having those, whenever someone posts, they throwing shade at each other. So people were like, okay, because we can see with the beef, choices between the two of them, why not take it out at the boxing ring match? So as Bogusubani, because maybe it's the battle of the bodies, because as you can see, both of them are scantons, or we can see who is man enough. But unfortunately, KB uthiyazini mina nginankinga, I can take him any day, but khuphulana amasokisi. He said he doesn't mind having to fight with Casper, but if you want that fight to happen, then his team better have a bigger budget than the one that they're offering him, because it's like Andy Soze, dilwele $500,000. Hayibo wena KB. So this is not about the fact that you are scared. According to him, it's the fact that he wants more. Mula, Chankura, you understand? Matsibitsibi, the vibes. And he saw the only issue preventing him from fighting is money. And he also mentioned Uguti. And he also mentioned the fact that Casper will never reach his level, which I don't know if it's a fitness level or what, because he feels fit enough. But unfortunately, Casper Nyovest has not said a thing. Do I see Casper Nyovest letting it slide? No ways. One thing about Casper Nyovest is the type of person that is confrontational. He might not be confronting you the way you want it, but one thing we should expect, maybe a diss check is over, or a diss interview, whatever. But one thing I know about him, he's not gonna back down, because he got the balls, he got the, when they say give that man a bell, Bebasho Ubani, Casper Nyovest, because what you mean? Casper Nyovest is not afraid. And also, you must also remember, he has battled with some celebrities regarding this thing. No Slick Talk, which unfortunately Casper was like, we were Puma and and then he had a fight with Nut Music, which people say Nut Music won. I never watched that match. Anyways, I've never watched any of his matches. And also had a match with Pretty Ugly where Bam to be a pants down, and Mudisela had to witness all of that. Yazini, Ikaya, the man of the house, your king down there, yabo, with his throne, Casper Nyovest is so messy. He took it personal. And Prince Kulo and Pretty Ugly was like, okay, friendly magic, so, and then there's been rumors that he almost had a fight with Mthandeni SK. I don't know what happened, but I think Casper spoke with his team, but unfortunately it never matured, that fight. And when it also with AKA, he was always proposing with, how about Minano AKA singing a ring in his bonisane, but unfortunately with AKA he passed away. So, but he was also dodging the fact that ufuna ukumele alwe no Casper Nyovest. So Maybe he was scared, just like Prince KP is, because a lot of people are like, it's not about money. Just be honest. You're just scared. Casper Nyovest is gonna beat the out of you. So you can already imagine Casper is winning. He's winning gigs. He's winning the numbers. He's still relevant till this day. But when it comes to Prince KP, let's us be honest, guys. Yes, we love Prince KP. He gave us good house music. But let us be honest today. He's not as relevant as Casper Nyovest. Some people don't even know who Prince KP is. But some of us, we know Prince KP because someone 1K, obviously. But for 2K is khona they're like, who's Prince KB? Unless ulama 2K wokuqala yabo. Kunama 2K wokuqala kube nalama 2K. Yeah, you get, not that there's anything wrong, but obviously even 90s there are 1960s, there are 1940s. So there's always gonna be a distinction. I mean, khona 2026, so you get khona 2000, now vele sithi ama 2001. So obviously those one, they probably might know Prince KP, but I think that was unnecessary. Does you think ukuthi Casper Nyovest has a 3 meter to give him to fight? Really? Mina I'm wondering, okay, if he wins, that means the 3K goes to him. So maybe that's why he's dodging this thing, because he knows he might as well lose. So he knew that if he says, give me more, they're not going to give him more because the budget they have. I mean, you cannot go from half a meter to 3 meter. Kanjani? At least if you go from half a meter to a meter, then obviously guaranteed is 25. But from half a meter to 3 meter, are you mad? Are you mad? Thanks for watching so far. Please, if you're watching on YouTube, please make sure that you subscribe, comment, and like. But if you're watching on TikTok or Facebook, please make sure to follow.